Hold it right there, pal.
Don't shoot. Take the money. It's in my back pocket.
Jack, this is my deli guy, man. My deli guy.
All right. Put that stuff in the bar, deli guy. Nice try, Hap. Go on, scram.
Sorry, Mr. Ashby.
Yeah, sure. Thanks a lot.
Put it on Hap's tab. What the hell's wrong with you, Hap? You've been off the sauce for 5 years. Why do you want to start up again, huh?
Hey, Jack, what's with this ham? It's stuffed like a turkey. What the hell are you doing?
They're trying to get me. I can tell.